Hi, I'm Kyle. Welcome to Kimray. We've been manufacturing quality control equipment for oil and gas producers since 1948. On this channel, you'll find helpful videos including product overviews, detailed repair videos, and quick tips for optimizing your oil and gas production, all delivered to you by Kimray product experts. We upload new videos every week, so subscribe and turn on notifications for instant updates. We want you to ask questions and get involved in this community. When you've watched a video that's helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. After you explore our YouTube channel, head over to Kimray.com. You'll find information about how to get the most out of your Kimray control equipment, including product manuals, tutorials, and valve sizing. You can also request on-site training for you and your team. Thank you for joining us, and welcome to Kimray.